Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic is renting a house. What conversation happens when you want to rent a house between you and the agent? Ev kiralama. Ev kiralama. Renting a house. Here I have two people, Ben, which is I or me. Emlakçı is the real estate agent. Merhaba. Merhaba. Merhaba, buyurun. Merhaba means hello. Buyurun here I didn't put the translation because it comes in several situations and it has several meanings. Here, buyurun means yes, tell me, what do you want? This is the meaning over here, but sometimes when you're handing someone something, you're giving it to him, you say buyurun, which means like take it. Kiralık bir ev arıyorum. Kiralık bir ev arıyorum. I'm looking for a house to rent. Kiralık bir ev, a house to rent, arıyorum. I am looking or I am searching. Nasıl bir ev istiyorsun? Nasıl bir ev istiyorsun? What kind of house do you want? Nasıl bir ev, what kind of house istiyorsun do you want? 2 artı 1, 2 artı 1 which means 2 plus 1. Var, mobilyalı mı, boş mu? Var, mobilyalı mı, boş mu? Var means there is. I have that house. 2 plus 1, I have that house. Do you want it furnished or empty? Do you want it furnished or empty? Boş means empty. Mobilyalı means with furniture, which is furnished. Mobilyalı bir ev arıyorum. Boş bir ev arıyorum. Here I have two answers. You can either say I wanted or I am looking for a furnished house or I am looking for an empty house. So, mobilyalı bir ev arıyorum. Boş bir ev arıyorum. Elimde size uygun bir ev var. Elimde size uygun bir ev var. I have a suitable house for you. El alone means hand. Elimde in my hand. Size uygun, size to you or for you. Uygun is suitable. Bir ev var. There is a house. So there is a suitable house for you. Kirası ne kadar? Kirası ne kadar? Ne kadar means how much. Kira is rent. Kirası, the rent of the house. The house's rent. The one that they are talking about. What is its rent? Kirası. This is or this goes back to the house we're talking about. Emlakçı here, he answers 5000 TL or 5000 lira. 5000 which is 5000. Pazarlık payı var mı? Pazarlık payı var mı? Is there negotiations, bargain? Can we negotiate the price? This is what it means. Hayır, maalesef. Bu son fiyat. Hayır, maalesef. Bu son fiyat. No, unfortunately. This is the final price. Kaçıncı kat peki? Kaçıncı kat peki? Okay, what floor is it? Peki comes in the meaning of okay. What floor it is or is it? Kat is floor, kaç is how much? İkinci kat efendim. İkinci kat efendim. Efendim means sir. Kat means floor. Now, iki is two. When I put a dot next to it, it's second. İkinci. Like, for example, if I have one, is bir. When I put a dot next to it, is birinci, first. And it works with all the numbers. Evi görebilir miyim? Evi görebilir miyim? Can I see the house? Ev is house. Evi, the house. The house that we are talking about. Görebilir miyim? Can I see? Tabii, of course. Tabii, of course. Buyurun. Now here, buyurun means Come, let's see the house. Come with me. Here, buyurun, this is the meaning of it. As we said, it depends on the sentence it comes in. Then he asked him, evi beğendiniz mi? Evi beğendiniz mi? It means, did you like the house? It's did. Did you like the house? Evet, beğendim. Yes, I liked it. Evet, beğendim. Tutmak istiyorum. Tutmak alone means grab or hold, but here it means I want to reserve it so that no one else takes it. Tutmak istiyorum. İstiyorum means I want. Fiyatta yardımcı olabilir misiniz? Fiyatta yardımcı olabilir misiniz? Can you help with the price? Which means he wants him to decrease the price. Yardım is help. Yardımcı helper. Yardımcı olabilir misiniz? Can you help? Ev sahibiyle konuşmam lazım. Ev sahibiyle konuşmam lazım. I should speak with the owner, the house owner, which is the owner. Le is with. Kira kontratı imzalayalım. Kira kontratı imzalayalım. Let's sign the lease or the house rent. So now they agreed and I told him let's sign the lease. İmza means signature, imzalayalım, let's sign. The answer is tamam, okay, hayırlı olsun. Hayırlı olsun comes in the meaning of best wishes. Let it be good. Now this was the conversation between a person who wants to rent the house and the real estate agent. If you think this video is useful, send it to someone who needs it.